Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Today's topic is all about how to maintain your gut health while traveling. During travel, people usually face lots of gut problems, especially like stomach upset, bloating and constipation. So to prevent these kind of gut problems and maintain healthy gut while traveling, here are the simple hacks. Firstly, consume fruits. Try to have fruits for your breakfast whenever you're traveling, as it's a good way of investing in your gut microbes. Secondly, drink fruit juices. Including fruit juices not only keeps you hydrated but also boosts your energy levels. Third, include probiotics in your diet. Make sure to include probiotics as they are full of good bacteria and they aid the smooth functioning of digestive system. Fourth, stay hydrated. Dehydration is another major cause of constipation, so keep yourself hydrated and drink lots of water. Fifth, exercise. Keep yourself active for at least 30 minutes a day, which will help you to regulate your immune system as well as your digestive system too. So follow these simple hacks, maintain gut health while traveling. If you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.